Well, I don't know whether you can accept anything that Dr. Sawant says at face value. Um, the First of all, he is not the chief executive officer of the MPT. MPT is an independent body. It's a central port under a Central Act, the Indian Ports Act of 1908. And there is no way in which the MPT will run its business according to the dictates of the chief minister. The chief minister is lying to the public if he says that he has got any control over what happens at the MPT.
So basically, it will be not reduced to 3 million.
These are all what we call speculation. First of all, mining cannot restart in Goa even if he does auction, even if he does Goa Corporation for another 2 to 3 years. Mining cannot restart because that is the delay caused by the Goa government, by Mr. Pramod Sawant's government, by trying to push the program of the corporates, Vedanta, Fomento, Chogles. He has been trying to push their agenda because they are the ones who contribute to his party and to his well-being. So till he has gone on promoting their interests, now he is acknowledging that even the central government is saying that you should go for auction. Now this auction will take that much time. Now in the meantime, he is saying he is going to bring down the coal by 50% in 1 year. How is he going to do that? He has no idea at all. Because the Pollution Control Board has given permission to these two parties to bring 10 million tons in any case for another more than 1 to 2 years. So how can this happen? If the ore, for example, goes to 20 million tons, which is what is permissible, if ore goes to 20 million tons, then you can say he will bring down the amount of coal being imported because it's a problem of space. There are only so many berths. There is a cruise liner berth, you cannot bring coal or you cannot bring iron ore on the cruise liner berth. When the tourists are coming from outside, they cannot be walking in coal. The coal has to be on a separate berth, that is on 5, 6 and 7. And there are berths of 10 and 11 which are already banned from using for coal. So there is a lot of restriction on what that port can do. So once mining restarts and once coal ore is exported again from the state of Goa, only then you can talk of bringing down the coal. Because the MPT is going to say, there is this berth which is empty. You are not paying the salaries. Goa government is not paying the salaries of MPT employees. The MPT is paying. I have to make the business. Well, I have to bring the coal because the coal is a ready commodity and they are paying me for it. It will be totally unwise. It will be totally unwise because the tourism industry has got a spread effect. Because once a cruise liner comes, buses are employed, taxis are employed, restaurants are employed, people go around visiting, they buy certain things, they visit Vasco, they make all India, all Goa trips. There is a lot of business which is spread effect to the whole population. Bringing in, removing this and allowing the berth to be used only for a commodity transaction, which only benefits one agency, which is Adani or Jindal and the industries in Karnataka, is something that is completely unwise.